From whitening your teeth to deodorizing your refrigerator, baking soda is renowned for its many applications. One of its newest asserted benefits is weight loss. Some claim that consuming lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, or baking soda diluted in water and consumed on an empty stomach may help you lose weight quickly. In this video, we are going to talk about weight loss with baking soda. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Is it true that baking soda helps with weight loss? There are numerous claims that using baking soda in conjunction with other ingredients, such as water, apple cider vinegar, or lemon juice, might be very helpful in assisting you in shedding excess body fat. However, there is not much evidence from scientific research to support this. Likely has little direct effects on weight loss. Baking soda is supposed to have alkalizing effects on the body, which are often believed to assist in weight reduction or prevent weight gain. This belief stems from the fact that baking soda is alkaline. Having said that, this hypothesis has been disproved on numerous occasions. The reason for this is that your body controls its pH levels through mechanisms that are carefully regulated, and the food and drink you consume have very little impact on those levels. The addition of baking soda to your bathwater, according to yet another belief, will assist you in losing weight by refilling your levels of magnesium and sulfate. These are two nutrients that are said to speed up your metabolism and get rid of toxins in your body. However, this notion does not have any support from scientific research either. Baking soda, on the other hand, has the power to neutralize the acid that is produced in the stomach. Therefore, it may help calm an upset stomach. This chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide, which is a gas that can make you expel air through your mouth and nose in the form of burps. Although you could get the impression that your stomach is flatter as a result of this, it has no direct bearing on the amount of fat that is stored throughout your body. May have minor, indirect effects on weight loss. Baking soda may have an indirect effect that promotes weight loss. However, this is primarily due to the liquid that you select to mix it with rather than the baking soda itself. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar are a common combinations, and it's one that's been shown in some older studies to have the potential to make people feel less hungry. However, there hasn't been much research done in recent years to substantiate apple cider vinegar's role in weight loss. Baking soda is frequently diluted in water, either by itself or in combination with apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. This can take place in one of these three ways. These beverages, when consumed on a daily basis, may result in a higher total daily fluid intake. This may result in an improvement in your overall levels of hydration, an impact that studies suggest may lessen feelings of hunger, increase metabolism, and encourage the reduction of body fat. It is essential to highlight that these potential impacts on weight reduction have little to do with baking powder and more to do with other liquids. This is one of the most crucial takeaways from this research. It would appear that adding baking soda to the mixture does not provide many additional benefits. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the end. Preparation methods. Baking soda can be utilized in one's daily activities through one of three common approaches that people choose to take. The first method calls for diluting half a teaspoon of baking soda in 1 to 2 cups of water and then consuming this solution on an empty stomach at whatever point in the day happens to be most convenient for you. In the second method, you will need to combine 1 milliliter of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of either apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. As soon as you notice that this concoction is no longer producing gas, you should dilute it with water and consume it on an empty stomach. Because the precise acidity is unknown, diluting the solution is necessary to prevent irritation to the throat and erosion of dental enamel. Soaking in a solution that has 3 to 4 cups of baking soda diluted in an entire tub's worth of water is an alternative approach to incorporating baking soda into your routine that does not involve consuming the substance. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.